Consecutive even integers. All right, so let's take a look at these. So you'll see something, it'll say something like, find three consecutive even integers who total 48. Okay, so how do we do that? Three consecutive even integers. So an integer is a whole number. Obviously, even is even, and they total 48. Okay, so I'm going to show you the math way to do it, and then I'm just going to show you how I would probably do it if I was given multiple choice, which you will be. Okay, so x is the first even integer. X plus 2 is going to be the second one. Whoops, that's going to be a 2. Okay, so we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 48. That's how you set up the formula, and then you just solve for x. So we have 3 x's here. Yeah, one right there, one there, one there. 3 x's, and 2 plus 4 is 6, so we have 3x plus 6 is 48. Okay, if we subtract 6 from both sides, that'll leave us with, get that x by itself like we're always trying to do, 3x equals 42. Divide each side by 3, yeah, so that we just don't have that annoying 3 right next to the x. And we'll be left with 42 divided by 3 is 14. X equals 14. Okay. And then we go back and remember that x plus 2 is 16. And the other one, x plus 4 is 18. Okay, and so those are our 3 numbers. Now you can check this if you want to. And 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 18 is 48. Remember, that was what we were trying to get to, right? Was this, they total 48. They're all even. Looks good. Okay, so if you have to solve it on your own, that's how you should go about doing it. Now, if you're given multiple choice, and it's not some sort of like a math test where you need to show your work or something, it's just a multiple choice and either you got it right or you didn't, is then I would just I would look at the answer choices and just add them up and see which one added to 48 with all the numbers being even, right? And so I think that would be faster and you're less likely to make any weird little math error by doing it that way. So that's the way I would do it. But obviously, different tests, yeah, we got different things. Sometimes you got to show your work. Sometimes it's not multiple choice, all those kinds of things. But if it was up to me, I would just do the guess and check method of just taking each of the answers and finding out which one is correct just by adding them together. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so let's say this time it's 3 consecutive even integers, total 72. Oh, give my pen back. Okay, so we're looking for 72. Same thing, again, 3 consecutive even integers, right? So just practicing doing the same thing, right? I got x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 72. Right, once you have it set up, and you're just doing some pretty straightforward algebra. All right, again, we have 3 x's plus 6 equals 72. I'll subtract 6 from both sides. 72 minus 6, 66. Okay, I'll divide each side by 3. $66 divided by 3 is 22. Okay, so x is 22, right? And then same thing, it's exactly the same thing we just did, just change the numbers on you. X plus 2 is 24, and x plus 4, 26. Okay, so again, there's our answer. Again, if it's possible, I would do the guess and check instead. It's just faster and less math involved. And so our first thing is, are all these numbers even? If somehow I do it and the numbers aren't even, then I've done something wrong and I'm going to have to go back and check it out. And then the second thing is add them up. So 22 plus 24 is 46. 46 plus 26 is 72, and that's the answer we were looking for. So we got 3 even numbers, they add up to 72. They're consecutive even numbers, meaning they go 22, 24, 26. It doesn't go like 22, 26, 30 or something like that. So they need to be consecutive, so that's like the next possible even number. And once we've done that, good to go.